Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how you can view your website, preview your website over all devices at once with using this online website. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the site browser you have, and here you have to search for AMI dot responsive design. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and open this first website that appear right in front of you. Once you do that, here you can see this website. Now here you need to enter the URL of the website. For example, if I enter the www.facebook.com and hit go, it might say that it's not valid. Let me add some security functions as well. Once I hit go, you can see the website will redirectly give me a preview for all the devices. It has a laptop, a Windows monitor, a computer monitor, a tablet, and a smartphone. You can directly paste the link of your site here, and it will give a preview for the same site for you that you can use to preview your website on any device. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.